So today we're going to be replacing the CTS intakes, which neck down.
All right, let's get started.
Oh, all right.
Take off the cover.
Yep, that's about it.
Yep, there you go.
And then you got this heat shield. Don't worry. I've heard that in most 4.0Ts, this kind of just falls off the cover. So for the S6s and S7s, and maybe the 8s and S8s, I don't even, not too sure on those, but for the RS7s, they have way bigger inlets than the S6 and 7s. And you can see right here, it necks down like crazy. Sounds sick, but now we're gonna do something that, according to a lot of people, we're gonna do something that has a lot of power. First, we're gonna start off by removing the CTS intakes. Not very difficult. Not sure how to remove the stock ones, as these came with the car.
Yeah, we're just gonna get these out of the way so we have more room to work.
Okay. Now we're gonna remove the hoses right here. So I heard that it's a pain to put them back on. I don't know how they are to take off. You need a pick tool, but should be fine.
It's a pain to take off or to put on?
To put back on.
Oh.
We're not putting these same ones back on though. I got some JHM ones, like some replacements. They look nice.
Okay, that freaked me out.
I don't even know what that was.
I don't know, some probably the actuators or something.
Yeah, it was the actuators, but why'd they open up? I don't know.
Does it need to open up more?
Yeah, looks like it's loosening the more you do it.
All right, so now we just used a lot of brute force to get these clamps off. 6 T27s and then 6 T30s. Pop this connector off. You just slide the red tab out and just finesse it off. Should come off. We don't think we need to take these off, so we're just gonna leave this off to the side. Make sure you don't put any too much tension on it. It should be good right here. Yeah. And now this is come off.
Next, hoses. Yep. So we got a bunch of replacement ones. Luckily, I bought a bunch of different sizes. This doesn't have to come off. This one does, this one does, and then this one under here does. So this one, this one, this one, this one right here.
These three?
Yeah. Those all come off, and then tubes come off. All right, so the clamps are off. Now we're gonna see if these new ones fit. I bought like a bunch of different sizes. So just gonna put it right here. Yeah, I already broke it loose and everything. There we go. It only takes, you just gotta break them and break them open.
Don't fit that one.
Okay, that's a good one. Maybe not, I don't know if it'll fit that one. So here's the first one. Once you break them loose, they're kind of just, you can take them out by hand. So thread it by hand and then do a little, one small crank to get them tight again when you put them back on. Oh, dude, this is gonna be a pain with the new ones. This one's gonna kill us. All right, we're getting the new inlets on, new intakes on. Pretty straightforward. It mounts literally right onto the, you know, to the turbo. So, and just tightening the. Basically, it's the exact same process, but in reverse. Get the passenger side in first, driver side in afterwards. All the hoses, all that kind of stuff.
I gotta say the finish on these are kind of trash though, like the paint's coming off.
Yeah. Don't care too much for the finish. I actually asked them if they could do like a custom color. But since these are Chinesium, I doubt they could do anything else. The paint feels pretty cool though. It's like a weird, like a web kind of feeling to it. One thing I want to mention, you are going to take some paint off of the driver's side pipe when you put back this screw for the throttle body. You're going to take some paint off, and you can't avoid it, as far as I know. I mean, maybe me and Tony will look for a way, but I doubt there's a way. All right, we'll get back to you once we're a little bit further into the install. Yeah. This last bottom screw. All right, not the best install video in the world, but that'll just show you the gist of what you need to do and all the hard parts you need to get past, because we couldn't really find a video on where it was. Like, we couldn't find a video on the installation of these intakes. There is a write-up. I'll include that in the description of the video. But this will give you a better view of the harder parts in it. Now we get to see what it sounds like, if it changes anything. A lot of people report a lot of top end and better throttle response. We'll see what happens when we take it out for a spin.
The big thing is turbos are actually a lot louder. And he already had aftermarket intakes, but you can still hear the turbos a lot more. And of course he has a straight pipe, so you can barely hear him. Yeah. All right. Now he is going to do a drive-by. Okay. And he put a crackle tune on it too. Okay, well, I don't know. I guess definitely makes your turbos louder.
Throttle response definitely increased. Top end is great, a lot better than with the CTS turbos. You can really feel that. You can really feel like it's what's the word I'm looking for? The turbos are really breathing a lot more.
Yeah, they're breathing.
Yeah, well, they have to.
They're breathing, right? All right, next is RS7 turbos. So I guess.
Whoa, hey, hold on. No,
I guess we'll see you guys in the next video, huh? Well, make sure you like, subscribe.
That's a few months from now.
All right, we'll see you guys in the next video.